Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just doing a quick unboxing of this cordless vacuum cleaner I picked up on the Amazon. Okay, I picked it up on the Amazon. So I was just scrolling by my business and I saw one similar to this, but it was way more money. So I didn't even look over there. I came over here. So let's hope I didn't spend my money in vain. So obviously it's gonna come with some type of manual, how to set it up and things like that. So this is what it will look like when it's done. And they also say, like, they meaning the reviewers that purchase one of these, says it's quiet. So I'ma be the judge of that. So yeah, manuals. Let me make sure my clothes are on properly. So manual. So it had two colors. It had a white with silver, and it had this black with kind of a champagne gold. So I got this one because it looked nice and sleek, you know. So that's, I guess, some parts that you move around. This, I think, is the charger. That looks like a charger port. Little connection pieces. Charger. There's a lot of moving parts in it. I don't like moving parts because then it has, I can't just bam snap and it's done. No, I have to go look in the manual. I don't like looking at manuals. So just from watching some of the reviews, I know you can take out this part here to clean it when all the stuff get caught up in it. This look like, you know, a little smaller attachment for the couch or curtains, blinds, something like that. This looks like a filter. And here's where the brains is stored. This is where the brains of the party's at. Okay, I like the nice sleek look. Ooh, let's try to set it up. Do I have to charge it? Alright, so first thing first, it looks like this goes to this. Smart girl, huh? And then I should think this goes to here. And they say I didn't go to college. So yeah. So far so good. Don't look at my dry legs. Now let's put the charger on. Ooh, bam. Then the filter. I thought they said it came with an extra filter, but it doesn't. And this one don't stand on its own. It's so gonna rely on me to keep it steady. I don't like that. I like stuff that keeps steady on its own. So, filter. And just from watching the many reviews, which were like 3, you take this little disc out, if I can ever get it out. You take this disc out and you drop it in the. Make sure it's sitting flush, they say. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, I guess you get that. Guys, it smells so good. No lie. It smells like it smells like air freshener. So when you vacuum it and stuff like that, you get that boost of. Oh my God, guys, it smells like perfume. Smell. Smell it. Smell. Did you smell it? It smells so good. It smells like fresh. It don't even smell like flowers. It smells like perfume. So let's move on. So I guess you drop this bad boy. It has 2 notches on the side. So you have to get it in and lock it, I guess. Let's try this way. There you go. And it's locked. Oh, you wasn't seeing that? Sorry. So as far as the filter goes, you put it in like that and bam, it's snapped. Okay? It's snatched. It is snatched. So these are the extra extension parts. If I want to do like a couch, I could take that off. Did they give me any battery in here? Let's see. No battery life. So we're gonna take this off. How we do that? Snap. Ugh. Oh, we take the battery out. Ugh. They did give me battery life. Where did this come from? Oh, this. What happened to this? Okay, so I took it off. And I'm guessing it has some type of extension to make this longer, because I'm not that short. There you go. So it comes up, I guess. Yeah, there you go. It's long. I like the height. So let's go try this out, guys. I purposely left a nice dirty rug for you guys, so let's see. And it's not as loud as I thought it's gonna be. So I don't know if you guys can see the dirt. Maybe I should make some dirt for you guys. What do you guys think? Make you all some dirt? Not tonight. It's too late for that. Let's try the rug. Alright. I was gonna ask you guys to trust me on how dirty the rug is, but I know y'all not gonna trust me, so I'm gonna show you how dirty the rug is. Let's go. So not only does the rug need to be vacuumed, but it needs to be shampooed. So here is all the dirt. As you know, I have grandkids, and my older kids are mentally at the age like my grandkids. They just don't care. So yeah, this is the rug. I accidentally dropped the iron there and it burned the rug, but don't worry, I already replaced this rug. I bought one off of the Amazon. that is in my bedroom. But we having a party on Sunday, so I didn't want to take this out and the kids come and mess it up, my new rug and all of that. So they're gonna get this. I'm gonna try to shampoo it tomorrow with my little Anel shampoo. That is gonna kill my back, but I'm gonna do it just for the sake of it. I shouldn't, because we having a party, but just for the place to be presentable, I'm gonna. Okay, so let's try this bad boy. Okay, let's get you guys some nice dirt. Alright guys, so I'm not getting that loud noise that you would normally get from a vacuum. I'm gonna test the suction area with my hand to see how hard the suction is suctioning. But just from what, like 2 minutes, this is how much I already got in the chamber, which I must say, it was doing some stuff. It was doing some stuff. Oh, golly, guys, my back is killing me. Alright, so this look like we could work with it. I just don't like how the coloration of right there. I don't like it. They could have made it a different color. But it's light. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. It's mad light. No cord to be strolling behind me and giving me craziness. It's called Amika. I don't know, guys. It was fairly cheap, so, well, I shouldn't say cheap. It was fairly affordable. It had a contender that would have it standing. I should have got that one that was just standing by itself. But I'm gonna give this, let's see, give it a chance. Let's give everything a chance. So I was gonna test it on my hand. I said I was gonna test it on my hand to see the power of the suction that I could get. Let's see. Those are 3. So you see how fast it was going just now. So it's given something. And a part I didn't show you guys or highlighted to you guys is the fact that it has these LED lights. So if you put it under somewhere dark, it kind of lights it up and you could see what's going on. It goes all the way under, and that was my problem. The other vacuum I had would never go under there, and it's already bringing me stuff. Like, look at that. It's even good with going under the sleeper couch and all of that. You know, there is barely any space under these couches, and I love it. That's a plus. All right, so I'm really liking this Amika here, guys. Look how fast the chamber is going. You know, it's picking up some stuff when it's going that fast. And not only that, it's good for your rugs and your carpets, it's also good for your hardwood floors and towels and stuff like that. Oh, Jesus, why is my back killing me? It's killing me, Jesus. Anyways, guys. Alright guys, even though I said I wasn't gonna give you no dirt, okay, I'm gonna give you a little dirt. So I took the vacuum to the kitchen and I put down some rice, some sugar, some coffee, quinoa, all that stuff that you know definitely you know, at some point will spill in your kitchen. And I gave it a quick test, and this is the result. As you can see, I gave it one pass, and I was on the first mode. I didn't even go on the second mode yet, and it did a pretty good job, as you guys can see. So honestly, I don't think this was a bad buy. Let's hope this lasts. And yeah, so go Amika. And I won't have to be looking for a vacuum anytime soon, because honestly guys, look at this. Look at all the gunk it got up from both from the rug and the hardwood floor and stuff like that. It did its thing. So if you guys are in the market for a, you know, cheap but efficient vacuum, you could try this one out. That's it for this little unboxing and review of this vacuum here. I'll come back in a couple of weeks and tell you how it does. That's my quick little unboxing, and I will catch you guys in another video. Okay.